Guangzhou Dayun Motorcycle Co. Limited is a modern professional enterprise. As a motorcycle manufacturer and operator in China. Founded in 2008, it's a professional enterprise engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, sales, and services of street bikes, dirt bikes, scooters, curbs, tricycles, etc. It has 4 domestically advanced suspension motorcycle production lines, 4 packaging production lines, 2 engine production lines, laser modeling machines, chassis dynamometers, exhausted gas analyzers, and other world-class professional testing machines for motorcycle manufacturing and research and development. We are located in the economically developed central city of the Pearl River Delta, Guangzhou, covering an area of more than 200,000 square meters with more than 1,435 employees, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001-2000 Environmental Management System Certification, and 3 certification. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Africa, South America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting our current products from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.